Hello guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. Basically, I'm going to do a quick review for dollar yen pair. Right now we have an H4 chart here, basically, and as you can see, if we consider the last 2 weeks, we have a clear rally after this sell-off here. They rally and we broke the structure on the upside, right? So we broke the structure on the upside. Now if we consider that last week we had a short-term sell-off during Friday, and we had a continuation of that sell-off on Monday. Basically, they were rebalancing this whole range from this low to this high, right? So they drop and then they did a reaccumulation here of shorts, and then they drop back to discount prices. So let me zoom in. We have then swing low to this swing high. So basically they drop, rebalance a bit here, reaccumulated shorts, and finally they drop again back to discount. So we have discount, we have premium of that range, right? So price reverse, and then when it reached discount, we have an immediate reaction to the upside. Even though it's not a lot of pips in, let's say, 5 minutes or 1 minute, you can get a nice 20-30 pips longs or shorts. So it doesn't matter if it hasn't moved a lot, right? So now, based on the structure, currently I believe most of the people are gonna be selling because of what the week have been making, right? We've been seeing lower lows and lower highs. Now, after we broke previous week lows, which are these and this here, when we broke that, you see that they rebalance back again up. So we had this kind of swing high. Let me close this. Okay, we have this swing high here and then this new low. So that was the new range, dealing range, that was created on Monday, right? So on Tuesday we had a rebalance back up to premium prices. So you see we had a continuation lower, then a reaccumulation, and then finally broke these swing lows here, right? Now if we consider that they were selling, right, because they see this as, I don't know, maybe a bearish channel or whatever they call it, and they throw maybe a trend line, they're gonna be selling. So we can expect maybe a rebalance back here inside this small range for then buys to these highs, but we need to wait. We need to be patient because this is a 4-hour chart, and basically we need to check on the economic calendar when are the economic news or the news drivers for either the dollar or the yen. So I like to see more downside here. in the beginning of the week, right? And if price reaches this level here, this last swing low, I like to see how they react there, and based on the reaction I would probably buy until this here, right? So if we begin the week going lower, I'm gonna wait till we get here. It's gonna be a 105.20 or 10. They can reach even lower to this other swing low to 105, maybe 10 or 15. So I wanna see what they do when they reach these two levels. I'm not gonna be in a rush to either sell or buy. You need to consider that it's not about buying when price reaches this level, or if they reach a key level in premium, you're not gonna be selling right away. You need to wait, be patient, and then if your setup is forming and the structure and the key levels are in confluence, then you will have more high odds of a successful trade. So what I see here right now is that we took out this liquidity from this short-term low, and then we reached discount of this current daily range, and now we are again going up and shifting the structure. So if we do the same here and we see price reaching here and not being able to break this low and then start breaking, then I'm gonna be focusing on the premium side of this last drop here, right? Because right now the retail is expecting more sales because they have maybe their trend line, so they are selling that, or also they see like a continuation, maybe a bear flag or something there. You can see that they see these patterns, but if it would make sense if we see price reaching this low or even this low. So if price goes down, we're gonna wait, especially if they reach that during Asia or New York. So we're gonna wait. Once we reach those levels, then we can act. If we don't see anything clear or any real confirmation, then we should wait for more information. Okay, so basically that's what I like to see. I like to see more buy side being target around up here. Right now I really don't want to see price, let's say, taking these lows, but it can happen, you know. It's just my opinion that I don't want to see them going first for this liquidity. So if these levels here are not respected and we see like price breaking easily those levels, I'm gonna be focusing on this other rally here. I'm gonna be focusing on this range from this low to the actual high. So this is gonna be my new range. So let's say we take out this liquidity here. I'm gonna wait till price reaches this swing low or even this. When price reaches those levels, I'm gonna see what is the reaction, right? So else? Let me see. Right now the market open, as you can see, with a gap on the downside, so it might be doing what I'm expecting. So when price gets to this level, I'm gonna be waiting. And also I'm gonna check my calendar and see if maybe the yen has a news, or tomorrow during New York there is a dollar news driver, especially a high impact. So when we get to that level, then I will execute or not. So that is my idea for the dollar yen. So I hope you have a great weekend and a great start of the week. So talk to you later. Maybe I will making a video by Tuesday or probably Wednesday for the pound and probably the euro as well. So I'm gonna be following these three pairs: the euro yen, the pound dollar, and euro dollar. So any questions, just let me know. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this one, and see you soon. Bye bye.